Hi, this is AUDUSD and today it's Sunday, 27th of April 2014, and we are looking at the H4 time frame of the pair before the markets open for the new trading week. I'm Sofia Stavropoulou and this is a video made for Forex ID Academy members, and I'm using Ichimoku Kinko Hio, Bollinger Bands, fractals and stochastics. I have left here the line of the last signal we gave on the pair for a short entry, and we saw this big corrective move coming, and that signal gave a lot of profits to our users. But keep in mind that the main trend for the pair, just because it is coming out of a very long fall, of a very long bearish move for months, the pair wants to escape this bearish move and wants to return to its high price levels, which were where it was standing months ago. So it is about to come to an end. So let's go to the bigger time frames and see how things look like. We see here that the pair is already, it made a strong bullish Kumo breakout on the daily time frame, but this was its second corrective move since the breakout, since the bullish Kumo breakout. So stochastics show here that this downward move may continue. Let's go to the weekly time frame and see. And on the weekly time frame here, we see that the pair wants to go down. Probably it wants to approach the median Bollinger Band at the price level of 0.9024, sorry. And that doesn't mean that the pair will not continue going up, but for now it has bearish intentions rather than bullish, as the weekly time frame looks like. And let's go to the monthly. On the monthly, everything looks bullish, but we should wait till every bearish intention is diminished before we enter long. If you want to enter short, I should advise you to not to, because even if there is some good possibility for a deeper plunge, let me see. We have a bullish price Tenkan-sen cross on H4 time frame, which is not a good signal for a short entry if you want to enter short. If you want to enter short, you need the opposite. You need to see a fresh bearish price Tenkan-sen cross on H4 time frame, followed by a bearish Kumo breakout on the H1 time frame, etc. But now you see a bullish price Tenkan-sen cross, and maybe if this is a strong enough move, maybe you'll see, as stochastics show here on H1 time frame, you'll see a strong bullish Kumo breakout on H1, the second condition for a long entry using the 4 time frames Ichimoku setup. You see that already on the H1 time frame the leading Kumo is horizontal, and it had turned this big body of a bearish Kumo into a very thin but newborn bullish Kumo, and it shows that the price will be able to fight its way through the bearish body of the Kumo and going out of it. So using the 4 time frames setup of Ichimoku Kinko Hio, starting from the bigger time frame where we see a price Tenkan-sen cross, H4 in this case, we had a bullish price Tenkan-sen cross on H4. we can wait to see a bullish Kumo breakout on H1 validated by Chikou span, the green line of Ichimoku Kinko Hyo, which must go above past price action as it is and also above the Kumo. So this will happen around the 0.9320 something price level, okay? And when we see that, we want to go to M30 and see a very strong bullish move there, everything bullish, and then we go to M15 and we wait for a deep correction like the one we see here, with price crossing and closing below Tenkan-sen, Ichimoku red line, and then we must wait to see the opposite like we see here, a bullish price Tenkan-sen cross on M15 in order to enter long and to buy and ride a very big and profitable upward move. But before all conditions are met, we stay out and wait. We stay out and wait to see a strong bullish Kumo breakout on H1, then 100% bullish picture on M30, and then we must wait for the correction on M15 and enter after the correction is over. So it takes a lot of patience, and I advise you to stay out and wait for the pair. Thanks for watching and happy pips.